Check out this new 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 3500HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 3500HD boasts a 6.6-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the ebony, custom leather-appointed front seat trim, window, power, rear sliding, sunroof, power, retracts into roof, GVWR, 13,025 pounds, 5908 kilograms, with dual rear wheels, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, seats, heated and cool ED driver and front passenger front bucket, LTZ Plus package, entertainment system, rear seat DVD player, switch, high idle, rear vision camera, trailering wiring provisions, for camper, fifth wheel and gooseneck trailer and the audio system with navigation, FM3 system stereo with CD player. Call 866-409-3464 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.